The faculty over here, they are really amazing. They have very insightful knowledge in their particular industries. Hi, my name is Saurabh Yadav. I am pursuing my postgrad in UI UX. I'm from batch 7. I started my journey as an animator, so I did my bachelor's in animation and VFX. Then later on, I developed out of this curiosity that I want to do a UI UX because I'm already doing motion graphic. That's how I developed this interest in UI UX. I have completed 2 modules. The course started with Prachi ma'am. Now I'm studying with Shyam sir. And the faculty over here, they are really amazing. They have very insightful knowledge in their particular industries, and they also provide some quality of good feedbacks on my projects which I'm currently doing. Initially, this live classes system is totally new for me from where I started. The structure they have designed, it's very interactive. The curriculum they have created on Miro, that ideation thing and everything, it's very interactive. It's been a really amazing journey so far.